Yes, I did use crushed pineapple in my salsa, so please don't come for me. Hi everyone, welcome to Richmond's Place. And today we're gonna make some salsa verde. I figured I'd take you guys along with me and show you how I make mine. Let's go. So I am going to be using green tomatoes and my tomatillos from the garden. I'm also going to be using my homegrown onions and my homegrown garlic, my peppers, and my jalapeno peppers as well. Now I am going to be blending up all of these tomatoes, the green tomatoes and tomatillos, in this blender, and then I'm going to be straining them out to get all the seeds and the skins off, because my family don't like the skins or seeds and they're big texture people. So I'll take you with me and show you how I do that. I will also be using my 18-quart roaster to cook this sauce down. Okay, now I'm going to roast some of these peppers and onions in a 425 degree oven for about 15 minutes, and then I'm going to add about 2.5 heads of garlic onto it, and then cook it for another 15 minutes. Add your garlic 15 minutes through baking, cook for another 15 minutes. You're going to mix that in real good. Now we're going to add our seasonings. Okay, I'm going to use 2 cups of this lime juice. Okay, I'm going to add 2 cups of cilantro. I'm going to do about 1/3 cup salt. I'm going to do about 4 tablespoons of black pepper. Put some oregano in there, about 2 tablespoons. And I'm going to put about 1 cup of cumin. Okay, now we're going to mix all them ingredients up really good and let it cook for about 15 minutes, and then we're going to immersion blend the roasted vegetables. Okay, now we're going to add a can of pineapple, crushed pineapple. Yeah. Now let's blend it up. Okay, I'm also going to be using these ball canning jars to can up this salsa. Now I'm going to wash these jars and then I'm going to boil them. You don't have to boil them, but I do it because I have a habit of doing it now, but they say that you don't have to boil them as long as they're clean, but I will be boiling my jars. I'm going to fill up my water bath canner to about half full. And then I'm going to put my barrier down on the bottom. Okay, so I'm going to put them in the water bath canner and I'm going to boil these for about 15 minutes to sterilize them. Okay, so I just got done sterilizing my jars and I'm water bathing these in these two pots here. So I'm going to get them out and we're going to fill them up. Okay, this is ready. Now you're going to want to taste it. Make sure that it's right where you want it before you can it up. That way you can add whatever seasonings, salt, pepper, anything seasoning wise to this. Let's try it and see if it's ready. Oh yeah. The pineapple added just that right amount of sweetness in there. This is good. It's time to can it up. And I will be leaving the recipe that I used in the description below for everybody. Okay, this is my canning station right here. I'm using my tongs, I got my lids and some water, I got my funnel here, I got my debubbler right here. I'm going to use this to fill my jars, and I'm going to be using 1/4 teaspoon of this in each jar for acidity. I'm going to empty out the jars. Now we're going to debubble. Make sure there's no air bubbles in there. Okay, we're going to fill up these jars and we're going to leave a 1/2 inch of headspace, so let's check it here. Now you're going to wipe your rims. Get all the food off the rims. Put our lids on. And now put your bands on it. Finger tight. Not too tight. Not too loose, just to finger tight. Put a lid on it. Now once this starts coming up to a boil, a rapid boil, then you're going to set the timer for 20 minutes. Do not set the timer until it starts a rapid boil. After 20 minutes, you're going to turn it off. You're going to let it set for 5 minutes. Okay, so total I got 24 jars of salsa verde. Yeah, not bad. Not bad at all. On another note, I did add 2 cans of pineapple, crushed pineapple, to my salsa verde, and you don't have to do that. You can just keep that out if you want. If you don't want it sweet, don't add it in there. But I like a little sweetness to my salsa verde, and instead of adding sugar, I put some pineapple in there, and it gives it just that hint of sweetness that it needs with the heat. It complements the heat very, very well. So you be the judge. You be your own taste tester and see if that's something that you would want to do. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Have a blessed day.